Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Shabazz here. So in today's video, we will auto code the data in R. So in this way, you will learn how to auto code data, how to auto code server response in Likert scale in R. So if you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my next video easily. So first of all, we need to import our dataset. Our dataset is in Excel file. So we will import from Excel. Then click on browse. So we should have the data in the same directory like we created how to compute variable, and we will click on server response. And after retrieving data, we will click on import. So we have the data here. So you can see here all string data will be converted into numeric values. So in this way we do auto coding in R. So after that I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt to convert our string data into numeric values. So it give us prompt. So we need to copy this and then paste in console. Now we will press enter. So it will ask for data. So we will click here and then click open. So it will auto code the data automatically. So you can see first data we just give it to R. You can see here R values are in string format, and after putting the coding, R automatically converted R values into numeric values. So you can see what is your gender equal to 1 and 2, what is your following age group, and what is your occupation, what is the highest level of occupation, and I use social media. So these are the survey items have automatically converted into numeric Likert scale. So in this way, we do auto coding in R. So if you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and bell icon so you can get my next video.